Hello everyone, Denise Carpenter from ReikiAssociates.com here. Thank you for joining me for this video. And we're going to continue on working with breath techniques for helping you stay in your center and stay balanced inwardly while the collective is doing whatever it needs to do to finish processing whatever it is it's processing. So we're going to do a breath in, holding a concept. We're going to breathe it into our second chakra, and then we're going to exhale it into our aura. And we're going to do 7 breaths together. So just bring yourself in. And then our first breath in is going to be that. We're going to breathe in the energy of acceptance. And through our crown down to our second chakra. And then we're going to exhale acceptance into our aura. Next breath is harmony. Harmony breath into our second chakra, then exhale into our aura. Our third breath in is peace. Into our second chakra, exhale into our aura. Our next breath in is kindness. For self and the collective. Exhale into our aura, kindness. Our next breath in is compassion. Into our second chakra, exhale. Compassion for kindness in the collective. Into our aura. Our next breath in through our crown is joy. Into our second chakra. And then exhale joy into our aura. And our final breath is that of compassion. So we're going to breathe compassion in through our crown down to our second chakra, and then exhale compassion into our aura. I use these breaths whenever I need to. If I find I'm getting pulled into either someone else's trauma, or the collective trauma, I bring myself back here, resting in complete trust that we are now in the Aquarian era, so we now all are one. So what I'm contributing to the collective at this point is what I'm bringing to myself. So as I bring these higher frequencies into my own system, into my aura, that's also what I'm contributing to the collective. So I hope this is helpful. Do this as often as you need to, and I will see you next week. Namaste.